How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force 27 linear. When you get your light bar out of the box, you'll see that you get your light bar with your connection cables. Then you'll notice on your cable harness that you have your cigarette plug for power, which you can easily plug into your cigarette lighter port, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll see that you get your Grand Control connector, which is used for our optional Grand Control that you'll see in the drop-down menu, or you can cut and hardwire this as well. Just make sure you check out the instruction manual for the wiring diagram. And then also you'll see your aux cable here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting, all off of your Grand Control. Now let's go over how to hook this unit up and show you the functions of our Grand Control. So today I'm going to be using my cigarette lighter plug for power, so I'm going to plug that into my cigarette lighter port. And then I'm going to be using my Grand Control, so I'll simply plug in my Grand Control to the connector here. And then on my Grand Control I have my power button, which will activate my unit. And then I have my flash pattern button here to activate my different flash patterns. I can find a pattern I'd like, and then you'll notice that your unit has memory recall, so when you turn your unit off and back on, it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you even have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern switch. And then you'll see here that you have your TD button, and this will control your 2 alley lights. So if you activate that button, they will go steady burn. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade for this function to where when they go steady burn, they will go white. And then when you deactivate the button, they will go back to the warning color of your light bar. So you can remember that you have that as an option as well. And again, your alleys operate independently whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then finally, you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off this one switch box. And you'll use that extra cable harness down here for the aux lights. And again, that is just a simple on-off switch. Now I did bring an amber unit with me, but we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I have our standard red-blue setup, and then here I have our green-clear alternating color setup. But again, we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating. And we even have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So we are using a linear unit today, so you'll notice that you have 6 LEDs per module versus the 4 in TIR. And then when it comes to the housing of your light bar, the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes underneath each screw hole for even extra moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here that are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then we also offer a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud bracket that you'll use the existing hardware from the light bar feet to mount this bracket like so. And this unit will use 2 of our permanent mount stud brackets. And then we also offer our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to, and then you can easily sandwich onto your headache rack if you need to as well. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 27 linear. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.